Welcome to another AI tutorial. If you're enjoying the content, feel free to support the channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting updates. Welcome to another AI tutorial. If you're enjoying the content, feel free to support the channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting updates.
Hi everyone, my name is Iman and this is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to animate any image, including your own personal photos, friends, and family, and create 3D animated videos. You'll also learn how to lip sync the videos with your own voice. I'll provide the URLs for all the AI tools at the beginning of each tutorial. First, visit the AI website Hedra. Use the sign in option in the top right corner to create a free account and log in. You can log in using Google's login system. Once logged in, click on the Try Beta button on the Hedra website. After that, you'll enter the dashboard. Let's quickly dive into the main content. Once you're in your account, the first section of the website is dedicated to animation, avatar creation, and lip syncing. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find the archive section for the works you've created. Below that, you'll see a list of works by the Hedra community members. At the beginning of the section, there are three main panels named Audio, Character, and Video, which we'll work with in this tutorial. In the Audio panel, there's another tab called Import Audio. Click on it. Here, you can upload your own voice or any desired audio file. In the Import Audio tab, there's also an option named Start Recording. If you have a microphone, you can use this option to record your own voice so that the character can lip sync to your personal voice. Click on the circular icon in this section. In the new window, select a voice file from your system and upload it so that the character's lips sync with this voice and the character reads it.
Welcome to another AI tutorial. If you're enjoying the content,
in the second step, we'll be working with the character panel. Click on the circular upload icon and select a personal image or any desired picture from your hard drive to upload. You can drag and drop the image of your character or friends into the center of the character panel so that Hedra AI can use it in the lip syncing process. Now, in the character panel, we have an avatar that should read our audio file and sync its lips to that sound. For this, click the Generate Video button in the video panel. Your request will be placed in the queue. After a short while, the video will be ready. You can play it.
welcome to another AI tutorial. If you're enjoying the content, feel free to support the channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting updates.
Now you'll see that the image you uploaded is reading your audio file realistically. The sound is perfectly synced with the lips and mouth, and you can see human-like emotions in the way this image speaks. This is the true power of Hedra AI. By clicking the download button, you can get the video file in MP4 format on your device. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you learned something new, like the video and share it with your friends. If you're interested in AI topics, I have many more tutorials coming soon, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated and not miss anything. AI is the future, so embrace it. See you in the next video.